Okay, here we have some hockey tape right here because I had it in my pants. Here we have the DK Spencer Power Barrel with 8.1 grams BK ammo. I got my earplugs in and I sound funny to myself. In case I sound funny to you, that's why. Where's my chronograph? Hang on. Oh, here it is. Great video, baby. All right. So this is the first time shooting that ammo, but it's not the first time using the barrel. I fucked around with it a little bit already. Got good results. But I had a friggin' migraine yesterday and I didn't get any shooting done. Shooting or video shooting. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling. Get back to work here. Back to work, Edward. Wait a second. If we're gonna do this, so this is the first time trying this ammo. Let's try it. I got a little bit of space left on this one. Let's set this up. Hang on. I'll be right back. Okay. .258. Did I hit it this time? I'm trying to say, don't pay attention. Oh boy. Yeah, that hit it. Yeah, that hit it. All right. I forgot what the number was. Let's do it again. All right. Second shot. .268. Another .268. 234. Ouch. All right, well, I don't know what those numbers are. If you were expecting higher numbers, if I was expecting higher numbers, I'm really not sure. We're just getting started. Now for the big reveal. That was on an 8 gram. So that's what I wanted to try first, was with an 8 gram CO2. And because I got a lot of these 8 gram CO2s. And I want to see if they're useful for me for anything, and they just might be. We might have to add the jacket to this test. All right. There's more to come. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.